Hello, today for Wylock number 12, we're going to be going over trinomials. So let's start. So for these methods, we usually just go with the FOIL method. So front, 12x squared, since 6x times 2x is 12x squared. Outer, 6x times -1 is -6x. Inner, -2x. And finally, the last, -1 times -1 is +1. So in total, you get 12x squared minus 6x minus 8x, since -6x minus 2x is -8x plus 1. And there's your answer. And notice, it's in the exact same form as the basic form listed underneath trinomials. It follows this ax squared plus bx plus c format. Moving on. Now let's try simplifying binomials. So you have here 2. You have here a coefficient of 1. What you do in this situation is you find all the factors that multiply to 2. So 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Is there anything else that equals to 2? No. So we create our 2 parentheses and put our factors into the ends. So 1 times 2 is 2. Since x squared only has a coefficient of 1, we can just write x times x. Now since this is a positive 3x, we want to add these. So we just put the plus sign and we get our answer. To check our work, x times x is x squared plus 1x plus 2x plus 2. X squared plus 3x plus 2. So this is your answer. Moving on. Define and using fractional exponents. Okay, so when you have the fractional exponent of 1/2, what that means is that you're basically going to be doing the opposite of what an exponent is. You're going to be squaring that 16, which would equal 4, the value of 4. Instead of squaring the number, you're trying to have that number. So, how do you have 16? Well, you square root it, and you get the 4. So, let's try one more problem. Here, 6 4 to the 3rd times 6 to the 1st. We know these have the same bases, so we can just add their exponents. And because 1 is basically 3 over 3, I just replace that, and I get 6 7 over 3. That means that whatever my answer is, it's going to equal 6 to the 7th power to the cube root. And then if we find, if we can separate this 6 and write 6 cubed times 6 cubed times 6, 1. So there are 2 6's that we can cube root. So that gives us 36 square root of 6. And whatever this is going to be the same thing as this. And that's just it for Wylock number 12. I hope you have a wonderful day.